How to insert SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. So if you want to insert SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy A9 and A9 Plus, then here are some ways. So the first thing you need to do is ensure the device is powered off. To power off the device, just simply press and hold to the power or side button, which will be right here, and the volume down button until the power off prompt appears, which is like this. And you just need to simply tap on it and you need to power off your device. Once you power off, now remove the card tray, which will be on the lower right edge with the device in portrait orientation and display facing up. So use the SIM removal tool or a paper clip to unlock the tray by inserting it into the provided slot, then remove the tray. Once you've removed, you will have this kind of interface. So you will have the space for memory card and a SIM card. So you can insert the SD card. The SD card goes in the slot on the opposite side of the tray from the SIM card. The slot is keyed so that there is only one way to insert the SD card. Ensure the gold contacts are facing up and the notch is aligned with the SIM or the SD card. And from here, you can either remove your SD card or your SIM card if you don't want to add it again. Now insert the card tray, press it back into its slot until it clicks, making sure it's secure. And in this way, you'll be able to insert the SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.